Okay, so to long divide in algebra, we're dividing this into, and it's generally a cubic. One thing is that you have to make sure that you've all the bits of the cubic. So a cubed, a square term, an x term, and then the constant. And if you are missing one of those, you stick in a 0 to replace it because they all have to line up under each other. So x into x cubed, we divide the first thing into the first thing. That would give you an x squared. Once you've done your dividing, so step 1 is divide, step 2 is multiply. So multiply this by all of the divisor. So x by x squared is x cubed, x squared by -1 is -1x squared. Draw a line, change sign. So really I should be saying draw a line and subtract. So that's a plus becomes a minus becomes a plus. Now subtract. So they're gone. And -8 of them and 1 of them leaves you with -7 of them. And once you've gone that far, you have to drag down the next term. Then the process starts again. So it's long division. So step 1, divide. Divide this first bit into this first bit. So x into -7x squared goes -7x times. Once you've done your division, your next step is multiply. So -7x by x, -7x squared. Minus by minus is a plus, 7x. Draw a line, change sign. They cancel, and that's always going to be the case because that's what you want to happen. So you've got 19 of them, and you take 7 of them away, and you're left with 12 of them. Drag down the last term here and start again. So for long division, step 1, divide. First bit into first bit. X into 12x goes 12 times. Once you've done your division, now you do multiply. So the 12 gets multiplied by all of that. Draw a line, change sign. And I know that that is definitely a factor. This is definitely a factor of this because this is divided in and left me with no remainder.